Are you looking for the best roller skates? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best roller skates on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. C7 Skates Quad Roller Skates. These C7 skates have a great retro design in 4 colors, black, white, mint, and teal. With greater stability from the 54 by 32 mm wheels and decent speed with C7 bearings, they make it easy to try out roller skating at an affordable cost. Reviewers used them both indoors and outdoors, though shoppers did notice that outdoor use was less smooth than with higher quality skates. These would get caught in cracks that other skates would glide right over. The trucks are not adjustable, and the connector is plastic, making it difficult to upgrade this skate to different wheel sizes. Check the bolt for the brake frequently, as some reviewers found it worked loose over time. The synthetic boot was reported to be comfortable right away. Overall, this is a great alternative to rental fees if you're a beginning skater. Number 2. Chicago Premium Black Quad Rink Skates. These Chicago Rink skates have a lot going for them. An aluminum plate with an adjustable track is unusual in this price range. The boots are a control high top made out of a vinyl many describe as needing a bit of break-in time. Looking at reviews for the wheels and bearings, shoppers were not as happy. A number of reviews recommend replacing the mysterious semi-precision bearings, and say the wheels showed wear quickly, also needing replacement sooner than expected. Once both the wheels and bearings were replaced, shoppers were much more satisfied with the skate overall. Experienced reviewers urge buyers to tighten all the bolts on your skates and lubricate your bearings for the best experience. Number 3. Papaison Adjustable Inline Skates. If ground effects for your rollerblades sound appealing, Papaison has your number. Besides the fun LED wheels, this pair of rollerblades includes a set of padded socks and, according to reviewers, an extra brake pad, straps, and carry bags for the rollerblades. The C7 bearings are appropriate, and the wheels are good for either inside or outside use. Many reviews address the sizing issue. Unlike most skates that line up with shoe size, the Papaison uses a proprietary group sizing with just 4 categories. These categories fit a range of sizes, and then a final fit is determined by tightening the laces, a sliding foot sizer, and 2 ankle straps. The reviews for this are mixed, so try the skates on right away to make sure they're a great fit while they're easiest to return. Customer service is said to be responsive, so the return process should be straightforward. Number 4. Bladerunner Advantage Pro XT Inline Skates. If your rollerblading dreams include hot pink and black skates with retro 80s style, the Bladerunner Advantage Pro XTs were designed for you. With zippier C7 bearings and larger 80 mm wheels, these skates are a bit quicker than average beginner skates. Reviewers reported the sizing was a bit hit or miss. Some shoppers found the skates matched their shoe size, while others found that sizing up was significantly more comfortable. Some found calf sizing to be a bit narrow on this skate, but others solved this by first making sure the top ratchet was open all the way. Several reviewers reminded shoppers to refresh their stopping skills, since these skates go fast enough that the brake alone won't quickly stop you. Number 5. BTFL Pro Roller Skates. For a smooth rink skate, check out BTFL's Pro Roller Skates. With the chassis being a mix of plastic and aluminum parts, the weight is much lower than other quads. Many shoppers commented on how comfortable the skate boots are, with a soft upper, though some reviewers preferred to get an insert for some footbed padding. Some reviewers, returning to skating after not being on wheels for years, were impressed at how well the skates handled debris on the sidewalk. The toe stop is adjustable, which reviewers like. More recently, BTFL has included a skate wrench with these to make it easier to adjust trucks and switch wheels. If you're just looking to get out on the rink and bust some moves, these are the skates to strap on.